Minasan konnichiwa, DC-san desu. Hey everybody, it's DC-san coming back to you. I'm about to do the review and reaction for The Flash, Season 3, Episode 4, and it's going to be good. I can feel it. I don't know. I've been really impressed with The Flash TV show this season as far as decent surprises and new characters and costumes, the whole nine. It's been overall good show. I enjoyed the previous seasons as well, obviously, but uh, I'm looking forward to this episode. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Going to go ahead and start from the beginning credits. I'm finally going to see Flare Frost or what? Captain Cole, welcome back. Mirror Master. Gotta be. Okay. Nice fight scene. Wow. She's no joke. He put him through glass. Ah, that's right. Supposed to made Barrett. Who does she become? Okay, that was pretty cool. Watch a Mirror Master come through the glass like that. Alright, alright. Well, Catch you guys in a bit. Gonna watch more of the episode and come back with a recap. Keep it super. Okay, so I am 33 minutes and 4 seconds into this episode, and so far, so many things have been weird, completely hilarious, and now a bit of a shock because I'm looking at Frost using her power to freeze the mirror. I knew it was going to happen, just wasn't sure if it would happen in front of everybody or not, but apparently she's still a little worried about letting people know about her power. But one of the funniest things that has happened on this series so far are the infinite wells that they're looking at. Sorry, between the one that was like old school cowboy and the French version. Can't stop laughing. That was awesome. That actor Pontier, Psycho, that was really awesome. So, anyways. Why Barry would be so nervous around Joe at this point. At first, I could understand, but now, after he's had to talk with them and they've been around each other and such, it's a problem. What's holding you back, bro? Like you said, you've got everything you wish for, so what? You're afraid that you're going to lose all of it? Anyways, Barry and Iris, I like that little quirky dynamic. Barry's got to get his stuff together, though. Come on, bro. Jesse and Wally West together. I'm happy. I saw that coming last season, but it's there now. So hopefully Wally will get his powers and something cool will happen, or him and Jesse will be on Earth too, or I don't know, anything. But as it stands now, the rogues coming back and being reintroduced with new versions or updates or whatever is really cool. Top. I like what they did with her. Mirror Master, he's looking pretty suave. But then you also have Barry's costume. I'm hoping it gets another slight tweak. But I really enjoyed how they were showing the homage or giving the homage to some of the old versions of the comic books to certain characters, like Mirror Master with his mirroring gun and things. That was nice, Wells. So we're going to go ahead and get back into the rest of the episode, and I will catch you on the swing. Keep it super. Okay, and yeah, wow, that was a fun episode. Lots of comedy, lighthearted banter between the cast and things, and nice little bit of action packed. It was a nice balanced episode. I really enjoyed it. Frost, yeah, her power coming in like that was a bit of a shock. Kind of happy because maybe we'll actually get to see her use her power for good as opposed to becoming a villain. But like what they did with that, like how they brought it in where it was very organic, very natural, and very unsuspecting to the person that's wielding those powers herself. That was cool. It was really sad to see Jesse go. Again, that's going on the line of having too many speedsters in the same place at one time, I guess. But hopefully she'll be back, and we'll see how her powers have progressed, as well as Wally, if Wally will ever get his powers or be looking for the answers on his own by finding Anarchy. I don't know. I just have, excuse me, not Anarchy, Alchemist. I just have this feeling that he may actually go looking for him to see if he can unlock his power, because, well, Jesse's not there. He hasn't really been affected yet or at all. So, that longing kind of sends you into dark places. But anyways, the ending of the episode was really funny between Joe, Iris, and Barry. Just his Very funny. Joe is one of my favorite characters on there because he's like the everyman, the every uncle, and the every father that we can all relate to. And he's like, yeah, well, Barry, I thought you were going to move out a long time ago. Time for you to get on up out of here so I can have my own space. But it's nice. Um, that and yeah, it would be kind of awkward having Barry and Iris constantly. They're in the house trying to get their own space in between Wally and Joe coming in back and forth. So it's nice to see that, you know, Barry will move on to another location, gives us another location to play around with, as well as the cast and the crew on set for more storyline. So that'll be good. Well, what did you guys think of this episode? I really enjoyed it. Hoping the next episode is just as funny as this one. The new Wells is interesting. You know, the actor has played now 6 different versions. Is that right? He's played multiple versions of his character from different Earths and things, and it's just showing how deep that character can go. Excuse me, that actor can go with his character, because I mean he's got different clothing styles, obviously, different tones. It's just he's really good, and I'm glad that they're going to have a Wells on the show because he's become one of my favorite. I like the entire cast, but he's become one of my favorite characters just for his intellectual banter and sarcasm. So we'll see what happens with the nicer, brighter version. So on that note, let me know what you guys thought of this episode. Is there anything that you're looking for in the next episode, or characters that you'd like to see, rogue or otherwise? Leave them down in the comments down below, and I will catch you later. Much love. See you guys soon. Keep it super.